are having any question, feel free to DM me. I will be really happy. Our team and me will be so happy to assist you. So I'm gonna do these flowers, and I'm gonna show you these flowers a little bit. Let me draw it. Do you have a piece of paper? Can I get that? I'm gonna show you again with super simple, easy. If not, no worry. I'm gonna draw right here. So here's a nails. It's okay. I'm gonna change this paper anyway, and of course that weaver gel, whatever. So I'm gonna get first nails with the first petal. This is one of really easy way to do, and then we're doing it like have on the diagonal angle, 2 across from each other, and then I'm get 2 more smaller, like lay overlays on the top of the first petal, and then the same thing with this. And I want to create a really cute and simple. I promise it's gonna be simple. So now we're gonna need 6 beads, 2 big beads and 4 smaller beads. Okay, so let's get that down. So I'm gonna get 2 big beads first. 1. Okay, and do a same thing in the same size of the bead. 2 first big beads is gonna be the same size, and then the second, I'm doing this color because a lot of you going to get this colors like cacaos, and a lot of you will get the funky. So I'm so excited what color you are going to get with yours subscription box as well. Also, you can get like single more colors if you want on the websites as well. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and using a 3D brush, 3D dual brush, and this is special design for the 40 Glitz 40 gels and Glitz 5D gel. So if you feel any a little bit tacky or residues or stuff on the tips of the 3D dual brush, just using simply with the paper towels and wipe it with alcohol, so then you can able to get it clean off. You don't need any solutions at all, no water or alcohol or anything needed it to sculpting your 40 gel. So spread it out in the middle, go to the right, press down, release, go to the left, and then you just need to press it down flat because this is designed like a 45-degree angle, so then you can able to press it down without have to worry about you did it too much. Just press it gentle, give it pressures, and let's go. Same thing with this, same thing. And you can draw it right in the middle to make it the petal turns the way you want. This is one of a really cool and a simple way to do the 3D brush, 3D flower. I mean, what did I say? 3D brush. Oops, sorry. Instagram, Facebook. Hope you all see it. Thanks so much, Instagram fam, Facebook fams. We are streaming on the 3 platform right now. 4 platform right now. We are on Instagram, also on Facebook and YouTube, also on Twitch. So we're 4 platform right now. So wherever you are prefer, you can able to watch us and learn with us. So I'm gonna flatten a little bit on this because we're going to place another 4 more, 2 petal on each side, so about 4 more. Okay. All right, I'm gonna flash key it really quick. Really quick. Just keep it there. And then we're gonna do 4 beads. We're gonna do 4 smaller beads. like a smaller than the first one. Okay. Let me find my place.
Okay, yes, so this is not acrylic. This is Glitz 40 gel. With acrylic, you do have a timer on how fast they're gonna keep. They're gonna, what do you call?
Set.
Set. There you go. This you don't. You can take as long as you need, and whenever you're ready, you satisfy your design, then you cure. Then it will get solid.
Yep. So and then after you cure, you don't need to put top coat on, or you can do it thinner down, so then you can encapsulate with your acrylics, clear acrylic or clear velvety gels as well. So I'm gonna do 4 more beads, and 4 more beads is really easy. We're just doing a smaller beads than the 2 big beads, and place them like a square together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's gonna right on the top of that first big petal. And we are gonna using no alcohol or acetone or any water, anything needed it. Okay, so this is your first look. Second looks, I'm gonna use this because I am loving it for the fall. So press down again. You see that how if I going on this side, let me go on this side, you can see it press down, right? You don't need to do aggressive, just press down first, and then go under this one. I'm gonna press it down, same thing. I'm gonna press it out, and then it's so easy for you to control it. And next, press it down, and again press it out. We don't have to do perfect yet. You just get 4 of them stationary the way you want it. So just getting a precision you want. And then now you go on the left on the one petal, right on the petals, and gently, oh, I have a little extra glitter. It's come from somewhere, I don't know, maybe from the air. Again, as I said, you don't have to work on all one of them. It's not like, unlike our acrylic, is gonna have a time to set. This is not. So you can definitely get them perfect the way you want it. If you are not happy, you can roll it back up and then place it back again and sculpting it again. Press this one. And using the tip of yours doer brush, 3D doer brush, and
so yes, we do have different other different color for the 40 gel. So in total, they come in about 27 different color. Feel free to check out our website at Glitz Accessory and Such for more detail. So that glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
And it's linked right in bio, babe. So here is the simple one, right? So I was going to flash cure it really quick, and I'm gonna go ahead and using the emerald. Should I do an emerald? Should I do a deep green? Do I have a deep green right there? No. Mixed color. Where's my deep green go though? Oh, right here, right here. I have. So if you want, you have a deep green and an emerald, and then you want the colors between these two. Only you can mix them together if you prefer, okay? You can mix them together and create the colors that you want. But I'm gonna show you, if you don't want to mix them, you can absolutely just go into the colors. So I have right here deep green, and you see the first nail we did it with the emerald. So we'll see with the deep green is how it's gonna turn out. Do 2 more petals. So I want to put some little smaller leaves on. Pick up the smaller amount of your 40 gels. As I was mentioned earlier, if you have a shorter nails, you can definitely pick up a smaller beads, and have longer nails, you can add longer beads. And also it depends on how big the flowers you would like to. Some clients love the smaller sunflowers. Some clients want a bigger sunflower. So it's really depend on the size, so then you can able to pick your beads. And keep in mind, if you're getting a bead too much, you can always remove it, and it's not going to set until you cure. So you can able to add more 40 gels on or remove, so then it won't be too big for your petals or your flowers. So I have this 3 beads right here. I'm gonna using the same techniques, press it down and the centers and go on the right, press it down, go into the left, and just really gentle press it. You don't have to go too aggressive. Okay, same thing with this beauty. Press it down first, draw it, and leave it there. You don't have to do it perfect first yet. And keep in mind, you don't need to do any alcohol acetone at all, as alcohol is going to be too hot and it's going to break down your product. Acetone, same thing. It's going to make all of your 40 gel, the Glitz 40 gels, it will be too hard for it, and then it's going to make the flowers look so smushy. So you're going to press it down and release, press down and release. Okay. All right. Super adorable. So simple. All right, flash here for 30 seconds. I'm coming back with the crystals. I'm doing it super easy, simple with pumpkin spice because it's the Halloween's coming and it's the fall season. So I want to do some cute fall looks for you. And again, if you are just first time tuning in, welcome to Glitz Subscription and such. And a lot of questions during the trade shows and also on online, what do I use or what do I suggest for a crystal placement. I'm going to show you step by step, which is this is the condensed glue gel, and then we're going to use condensed glue gel. Can I get the Trifecta right here, please? And then no wet top coat. And here's the 3-step methods, and of course the precision glue gel. And this month is so excited. I have my precision glue gels in the sub boxes, perfect for the to replace my precision glue gel because mine's almost out. So in the Trifecta, if you're asking me one of the items you want to using it for crystal placement, I would suggest, highly recommends with crystal Trifecta. It comes with condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, precision glue gel. It works absolutely perfect, compatible together, and it has an extra of the mix of the colors, make a mix of the color and sizes. And our top coat is compatible with condensed glue gel. It gives it flexibility, so when you apply the 1 coat of condensed glue gel and 1 coat of no white top coat, is actually a double bondings and help it hold down the crystal base and crystal charm and chains in your nails, and it will last weeks, 3 to 6 weeks easily. And also precision glue gel will be a double secure to go into all the crack and the edges of the crystal and charm and chain. So we're gonna start with the condensed glue gel. Is thick density again, is at the show you are probably receiving a lot of free gift, which is the extra thick condensed glue gel. So with those, you can use it for absolutely with like a bigger crystal, the cluster and big charms like this big charm. You can able to use it and it hold down really well. So first thing first, I'm not using it shortly, but I am just hold for me. I'm gonna go ahead and don't wipe off, I need that. And I'm not using the dot 2. I'm just want to apply some right in the middle of the flowers, because I'm gonna put the pumpkin spice in there. I don't know, I love that pumpkin spice. I can't help it, just like really get my attention because it's so, and like it looks so warming, like, but it's so sparkle. It's just not like looks like dough at all. All right, so I have that on the center of the flowers and then on the edges of the leaves. So I'm go ahead and using the twin tip brush and pick more condensed glue gels, okay? And each time you're using the little, you don't want it using it too much. Too much is going to flood the crystal. Too little is not going to adhere to the crystal properly. So I'm not using it enough. And you feel like if you're feeling it too much, you can always like remove it and get it less. You don't want it using too little. It's not going to adhere. Too much is going to flood your crystal. So it's enough. All right. So I am going to close the lid, make sure, because if you're stationed right in the door, I mean right next to the windows and a lot of suns come there, facing to your station, make sure you close that and storage in a cool place. No wet top coat right on the top. I'm so thrilled. If you are getting a sub box this month, you are getting one of the 40 gels, and I'm so happy and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what design, what content you are going to create with this. And congratulations to get it. Is really cool sub box, and also 100 lucky subscriber will receive the e-gift cards from Glitz, range between $10 to $100, so they can go back and shop. You can use it for buying as anything else you want. So I am go ahead and using the glow in the dark crystal kits, and I'm using a SS4 right now. I'm loving this kits. It's had everything. I don't know how long that take me to use it. Maybe in the next 10 years, because it has so many frame charms and crystal in there. So I'm gonna go in with my super cute frame, like a gold frame. You can tell I'm obsessed with this frame as well, right? I'm so obsessed. It's easy to do, and you can cut it with any length you prefer, you like. If you can't find the length that you want, you can use this cutter, the crystal cutter, crystal clipper remover, to cut them the way you want it, the length you want it. All right, just little bits of the crystal right there. I'm looking for the tiny little one. Hey, babe, you good?
Mm-hmm.
It was so nice at Premier Orlando. Our booth was so packed. Thanks so much for amazing love and support. We're so glad that we're back a lot. It means a lot to us. It's so excited because we'll get a lot of people who come. We was here 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and I got your products. And it's so amazing. I can't wait to, you know, get more. And it just means a lot to us. This is our, like, third years to Premier Orlando. And pretty much the third years of all the Orlando Premier show. And we can't wait. And our next Premier shows will be in June 2022. So make sure you stay tuned for a lot of posts coming up for the next coming up shows. And stay tuned for our classes, informations coming, and the classes coming up is so cool and stunning. Absolutely free. So you make sure you check it out. All right, so great. I'm happy with this. I'm going ahead and here